Hey guys, Brittany here. I don't normally look like no, actually, sorry. Wow, that was such a lie. I do normally look like this. What I was gonna say was I don't normally start my videos like this. Man, that was cute. Anyways, which by the way, I look like early 2000s Avril Lavigne right now with this like black bra, white shirt going on, and I have to say, it's a look. It's serving. She was iconic, and I feel like an icon right now. But anyways, okay, so back to the video. I wanted to give you guys a little quick preface to this. I am not in this video. At least I'm not in this video like in the physical form. You'll hear me talking, but actually the person who's giving the room tour for this video is my bestest friend since the ninth grade, Maria. And her and I went on this cruise together, and we had a great time. And we were kind of goofing around. And I was like, "Do you want to do the room tour?" Because I didn't think I was gonna post it on YouTube. And honestly, she did really good, and so I'm gonna post it. I think it's really fun. We had done some fun things on TikTok where she had done tours of like tiny homes and stuff, and she was so cute when she did it, and I loved it. And so, anyways, she brought that same energy and fun to this room tour, so I figured you guys would want to see it. But anyways, all that to say, here's the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope you enjoy it.
Hello and welcome. We are on the Virgin. Wait, how do I wink?
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Let's
You're
the things
good.
here so I can split the bed like
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, yeah, that works too.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks.
I'll be back later, okay?
I'm like trying to feel I'm like, wait, how do I wink? I'm like Virgin. Oh, I got an eyelash in my eye. Or actually, it's just mascara flakes, but whatever, same difference.
This is terrible lighting, but go ahead.
Okay, we're starting over. Hello and welcome. This here is the Virgin Voyage Central Sea View Terrace room, cabin. So in this room, we have everything and more. So the bed, it's pretty cool. This one thing that I kind of like, and it's very practical, I think. So it looks like one bed, perfect for a couple, but it splits into two twins. So they're actually gonna split it for us, which I think will create more floor space as well. So it's going to do like head to foot kind of thing, and I'm going to go this way. So there'll be a little bit more room here, which is gonna be very nice. There is the two bedside tables. Perfect. I love this idea. It gives you the needed space, but without taking up the space. So we each get our own little end table. That is great. I thought this was great that they provided a hat pad for your curling irons and flat irons. Everything is provided. It looks like we have the chairs. Great room. Are those magnetic hangers or do they pop out?
No, I think they're just, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like, yeah, they're just like popped out. So hangers, but without taking up bulk. We have full length mirror here, which is great. Also in this little closet space, I'm gonna come through here. There's a second full length mirror. So there's one here. Life preservers, safe, lots of space here. What the fuck is this? Oh, hair jar, which I brought one, but they provide one. Awesome. Drawers, so we can unpack. That is great. Soft close drawers. Perfect. The closet is actually pretty big, and I like that it's just a curtain because we can just roll our suitcases in, and it's not very clunky. So this is pretty cool. Even let's start off. I'll stay here and do my shoes and stuff.
Okay.
So that's pretty good. Other things. Oh, we can close the peephole. Yeah, you're not seeing me. Bye. AC control, simple, up, down. Bathroom.
Down.
It goes down only one more. Lights on the exterior. So it's gonna be tight and cozy in here. This, and I'm gonna sit. They provided us with makeup towels. I brought my own makeup towel because, you know, I don't want to stain theirs. But they actually provided some. That is great. One thing they did not provide, but I'm sure I could use, actually no, I would not use this for, but I bring my own hair towel because obviously it's gonna stain, so I always bring my own hair towel. But everything we need is here. The cups, there's a little ledge here, more space down here, space under here, lots and lots of room. I mean, if somebody was tall, I can lay down in here. Like, I could fully lay down. So if somebody was tall, they could still use this comfortably. Same thing with the shower. I mean, it's kind of, you walk in, it's a little tight, of course, but, you know, walk in, it has a rain shower. So it has a rain shower. Oh, it's dripping. Regular shower. And once again, there's, you know, room. So, I mean, tall people, that's pretty good. What's this? Oh, it's a clothesline. There's also a clothesline in here. That's pretty good for the bathing suits. Shelving is in here. That's great. They provide you also with body wash, hair conditioner, all of that good stuff. Which, you know, women, we provide our own, but, you know, men. So that's pretty cool. They did a good job on the spacing of it. There's definitely lots of space. Towel nooks here. So it's small, but it's laid out great, I think, anyway. Lots of lights. This is pretty good, I think. Switches, and they have the USB plugs, so score. We don't have to worry about remembering all that. And over here, they're everywhere. See, there's more here. Perfect. They have the European style. Is that the European style?
Yeah, these ships go overseas.
See, they thought about everything. Look, if we want to map our... Oh, it's a bottle opener. I was like, did they provide us with a little gadget
In case
thing?
the captain needs help.
I thought it was like a fun little thing so you could do it with it. No, it's a bottle opener. Oh, that is so cool. That's nifty. So, nifty stuff. Our fancy water. Fancy water. Ooh, what's in here? Does this open? This opens. Fridge. Ah, score. We got a fridge. That's great because, you know, I like to eat. So I'm going to be eating in this room. I'll be like a little chipmunk. Little niblets. So the desk. This is where I'm going to be doing my makeup. So this is going to be my vanity for the voyage. And I use 4 mirrors to do my makeup. Yeah, 4. So that means I'm going to use that one, this one, and probably 2 that I brought. So yeah, we'll have to do a get ready with me. Trash and recycling. Look at that. They allow us to be like good people.
Before we go to the terrace, may I bestow upon you the room tablet?
This came with the room? What? What do I do with it?
Hit buttons.
Do I watch movies? I can watch movies on this? Oh, does it control this?
Sure does.
Score. Now, how do I work it? I'm like 80 years old when I do it. Do I have to pay for these movies? Or are they included? They are? Now I have to find a movie.
Ready?
Oh. This is my husband's like fantasy. He could literally be in bed and not have to move a muscle.
Now
He should have come.
Swipe to the next one.
Photo shoot? Oh my god, this looks like raunchy photo shoots. Oh. Do you see that? That looks like it would be a photo shoot.
It's Virgin Voyages.
Am I just literally opening and closing the blinds right now?
Oh, all the lights are changing. They're all changing colors. Because look, when you go to the first one.
That's the pink one. Okay, I like blue. Okay, now we gotta open the curtains. I did it. Because it has a picture that shows open and closed. Yeah, so. Okay, so I opened the curtains. It's home?
Yeah, so also on this really quick, just so we don't miss out. So there is entertainment, so you can watch movies and basically anything that you could watch on the Virgin Atlantic flights, you can get on here. Then you have Ship Eats. This allows you to order food. And they have a lot of really good options for ordering food. You can deliver now. You can pre-order your breakfast. They don't have anything available right now because it's embarkation, but they have really good food. Sorry. And then, of course, your regular room control, so you can control, if you don't want to do ambient lighting, you can control all of individually your lighting. So your desk light.
Pretty cool.
Your ambient lighting. You can also do your temperature here. They got some good stuff. So, pretty neat.
So, the terrace. No smoking, of course. Now, is this the... Oh, I thought it was a screen door. It's not. It's just part of it. Okay, watch your step. There is a step out, okay? So, be careful of that. Our terrace. This is a good space. It's got 2 seats, little thing, pretty strong, put your feet up there. This is nice and high. I am 5'7", and it reaches right here. So you're not gonna be going over this rail. You would have to oomplify yourself to go over this rail. It's not gonna be a, oh, I've had too many. That's not gonna happen. So maybe a super, super tall person, but I'm 5'7". I'm not going over this accidentally. Look at that. Ugh, I can't even do it.
Stop doing that.
So safe. Maybe you're standing up there, but who's gonna do that? So we also got a swing, but we already tested out. This thing can hold us both. Okay, wait.
Okay, ready?
Where's my hip?
Oh no!
Oh, Birdie, I'm stuck.
Wait, we're doing it! I'm like totally blocking you though. I can't see you. Sit up!
I can't.
Use your abs! Oh God.
I'm too old and too fat for this.
Look at that yacht.
There you go, guys. That is the video. I know it doesn't have like an official like intro. Well, we kind of did okay there. We definitely didn't do a very good outro, if one at all, because we didn't plan on posting it. But I just thought it was cute, and she did a good job, especially for her first cabin tour on a cruise. And so I just wanted to post it. But if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification. I'll give you alerts every time that I post a video, which I am going to get better about. I know it has been years that I have been saying that, but I promise you, I'm going to do better. I'm going to do better. We have lots of cruise content on the horizon, no pun intended, but also on the horizon. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.